Here's Dal to demonstrate the CAN IMMO with gearbox lock on this awesome Golf R.
Okay, we've got a Mk8 VW Golf R in today. This one's coming for some security. It's been fitted with our CAN IMMO immobiliser, no pin, no drive. So just to demonstrate to you, if I start the vehicle up now without my code, the vehicle will start. Okay, it's obviously in park. My foot is on the brake. Got to select the gear. Okay, physically cannot select any gear to drive away. Okay, so once I put my code in, you'll see the high beam light flash to say it's disarmed. There you go. That's now unlocked the immobiliser, and I can now select gear and I can drive. Okay, put it back into park. Now when I switch the vehicle off, if I don't exit via the driver's door, I can just restart it and drive off. But you'll see as soon as I open the driver's door, high beam light flashes, immobiliser's armed. Okay, so that's the CAN IMMO immobiliser doing gearbox lock on this Mk8 Golf R. You can combine this with a Bluetooth tag and also have phone pairing on it as well, so you can disarm it via your phone. Okay, but yeah, that's how it generally works. Thank you.